Hello everybody and welcome. This is Chande. Are you wondering what's next for Nvidia? About a month ago I had projected a price target of 1350 to 1400. We exceeded that this week, so what's next? Let's dive in and take a look. A gentle reminder, there's risk of loss in trading and past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. About a month ago, I predicted that the price target could be between 1325 and 1338, so I had rounded up to 1350, and then I drew this box which peaked at 1400. So this week we've exceeded that target by just a little bit, so what next? Many people were surprised by the speed of the climb, but in my video of 524 I had pointed out that this trend line is going to be what Nvidia was following, and sure enough, it not only followed that but exceeded it in getting to 140. The lower panel has the chats indicator, which is the Chande absolute trend strength indicator. A value near 100. It means a very strong trend. Observe that it was near 100 during this leg up, and again near 100 at this leg up. So this is a useful tool for you when you scan for trading opportunities. The lower panel here has a stochastic RSI. This is telling you where the RSI value is within its recent range. And observe that during the uptrend, it was above 80, and the little pullback here was enough to push this towards 20. And generally, consolidations or downtrends have values below 20. So just something to look for the next little while. On this slide, I show you an application of Fibonacci extensions. In March, we could use the first 2 days of the decline to project the price target of 7605, which is almost exactly where Nvidia bottomed. Using the same idea, we can use the high and the low, that is the Thursday, Friday sell-off, to project a downside price target of 114 or so, which would be an approximately 19% decline. So that just gives you an idea of where you might want to buy if you want to get into Nvidia. This chart just shows that on the way up, Nvidia has met resistance at key Fibonacci extensions, and who knows why. For example, there was a long consolidation at the $50 mark under the 0.618 extension, and the 2.618 extension got us all the way up to the highs in March, and now the 4.236 extension gets us up to the most recent highs in the 135-140 range. So what does it tell us about the next level up here? So the Wall Street analysts have been raising their price targets. The current high is at 200 from Rosenblatt's Hans Mosesmann, and the range is about 150 to 200. So of course these guys can be wrong, but that just gives you a sense for how optimistic people are on Nvidia's 2025 performance. So this chart shows you that the $200 price target is not unreasonable. This is the Fibonacci extension past the 4.236 level to the 6.854 level, which is at currently 197. So that's basically 200. This is the regression channel, automatic regression channel indicator, and we're just extending the center line, and we are at November here, and you see we're still somewhat below the $200 target. So it's reasonable to expect that Nvidia might be able to get to 200 in the 2025 calendar year. All the tools I've used are at TrendSpider.com. I hope you like and subscribe, and thank you for listening.